Hello guys, today I decided to make a rook ending video, a very important part of chess. I just reached 2400 again on chess and I'm hoping to have a higher result. So you have to play good endgames if you want to progress, that's for sure. So in this position, black has 2 pawns and white has only one chance is that this pawn is very far advanced and they are not connected. So white has some like drawing opportunities. The problem is that white's rook is very passive and it cannot be activated very quickly, because if we move it without check, then black will queen. So in this position, it's black who is playing for win and it's their move. So let's try to play king f5. So if white takes and plays king to f4, they only move. So in this position, black wins in a position because white has to move. Just a regular king to g4 would draw because of this move and white gains in a position. So if white plays something like king to f3, the problem is that after this move and king g4, white is essentially in Zugzwang. So if they take and black plays king to h3 f3 and again they cannot hold in a position. And important in this variation to play here and black wins. All right, so what do you think in this position? Does white stand a chance? Actually, in this position, white can defend with rook to f1. So black has to go in the center, check, king to d2 and king to g2. So if black queens, it turns out that this is a draw, yeah, because black cannot go forward, they go here, and miraculously white gains in a position. So just very important to remember, yeah, that you have to play more actively, yeah. And so in this position, white played something like king rook to h1 back, and after king to a3, so just black came much closer, and if white takes, then again the same position, and this is winning for black. So just notice, even if you're just hold 2 pawns down, you still can have some drawing chances, yeah. Just don't put your pieces passively and try to attack the black. So and in this position, yeah, just throw the king away and play king to g2, and this is a draw. All right, thank you very much, and see you next time.